Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a very simple and easy home remedy to cure constipation in infants just by using one ingredient, which is castor oil. Take 1 tablespoon of castor oil in a cooking spoon. Heat on a low flame for 1 minute. Remove from heat. First check temperature. If it is not too hot, take some oil on your palm and massage on your baby's tummy in a circular motion. As long as 1 tablespoon of oil finishes, repeat this remedy again within an hour. If the baby could not be pooped up easily, this remedy is very effective for infants. Please use it properly according to instructions. You can add 2 to 3 drops of castor oil in baby's feeder also to speed up this remedy. Thanks for watching.